Friends, welcome back to the Coastal Vlog channel. And today the Coastal Vlogger is showing you the comparison video of these two pieces. So about this you might be already knowing. I have already uploaded around 6-7 videos on the Toyota Innova Type 1 to Type 4 conversion. So this is having a Type 1 engine inside that I'll show you later, and this is the Type 4 one, which is a completely base model version. So base model in the sense you can see how this looks and how this looks. This is Type 4 top end model, but little bit of changes have not been done. So coming to what and all changes you can do in your Type 4 vehicle. So this is a base model version. So what I wanted to show you is, in this model you can put a step like this so that it is easier for old age people to climb the vehicle and it will be more comfortable. Apart from that, here you can give a chrome finish, which we have over here. It's something looks like somewhat like this. It's not so costly. It can be done, this chrome and this chrome. You get chrome over here also, but we have not put, so you can do that. Apart from that, in this vehicle there won't be a fog lamp switch, which we can put later on. So this fog lamp can be removed, and a light like this from the company itself you can put, so that will be also useful. So coming to the interior changes. So coming to the interior of the vehicle, you can see this Pioneer system. This is outdated right now. Better replace this with the one which we have inside that car, which I'll show you after I once finish the full review on this. So the main good part that I liked in this vehicle was the steering wheel, which we didn't get to put in that vehicle. We had to put the Type 1 model version only. The same steering wheel you get it in the Toyota Fortuner, and in our car we'll show you how that we can change that. It's not a big issue. And another thing is this chocolate finish, which the dash has got, even the seat, the chocolate seat, and the black finishing in the middle. So this version, now I'll go to that car and show you this compartment again. So in this car, when we come inside, you can see the steering. So we will change this soon. We didn't get it. So like this steerings in second hand cars, you can remove it and put in this. So this is what I meant that time. The black color finish, which you don't get here. This is the cream finish and the cream settings here. But to look at this, looks better compared to that. Apart from that, last time I already showed you these cushions, which you can put for the Type 4 model. It's more comfortable to drive for long journeys. And the AC controls there and here, they are slightly different, but there's no much difference in that. In that vehicle you get airbag over here also, but in this there is I guess only one airbag is there. I don't know, because this is slightly old. Okay, so there's no airbag, just now I came to know. And apart from that, you can see here, this is what I told, the fog light, which you can place here. You get like this settings in the vehicle. We can remove and put a fog light switch. And main thing I meant about this is a very good screen that you can put in your Type 4 instead of the Pioneer's old version, which I have seen in almost everyone's vehicle. So now we'll go to the back compartment, where the main changes are the 7-seater and the 8-seater. So coming to the middle compartment, the changes you can see, these are captain seats, more comfortable and a king-like feeling. You can even fold your leg, so it's that spacious and comfortable. Whereas in case of the 8-seater vehicle, in which I'll go and do the video right now, it's not comfortable. That's the main problem. And another main change is the 7D mats which are here. So these mats are one of the best quality mats that you can put in your car. And other alteration which we have done is this wood finish over here, and the color over here we have slightly changed it. This is just a bed sheet which I have towel which we have put, so that the sweat doesn't accumulate on the seat, because these are cream colored seats. If it was black, it would be not it wouldn't have been a problem. So I'll go in that car and show you the same compartment. So friends, you can see the 8-seater. This is the problem in the 8-seater. Leg room is there, you can fold the leg and do all sorts of stuff here, but the problem is to go at the back. And this is not the latest model for you people to just pull the lever and it goes with triple fold. This is the one where you have to close the knob over here, fold it, and then go and sit at the back. So those are the problems in this vehicle. And this is an original mat over here. There's no problem in keeping the original mat, but 7D mat can absorb any kind of mud or any dirt, and it can be easily cleaned. In these sorts of stuff, there are heavy chances of it tearing and all that stuff after a couple of years. And the seat also, you can see this is original. They should have put a cover, because original leather seats give a more comfortable feel. I don't know, they have not covered it. That's the big issue. And 8-seater, as I told, here one person can sit in the middle. Not that comfortable. According to me, I like that kind of seat here. So this compartment also is done. There's no much changes. Both have the same thing. Only the color difference is there, color variation. And they have not changed this also. It's the same. No wood finish. Nothing is there. So we'll go to the back compartment and do the last part. So going to the back compartment in this case, in this car, it's somewhat like do this. After that, do like this, and then you have to go at the back. And the problem here is the leg room. So this is the big problem over here. Headroom is there, but there is no proper leg room. Whereas in that car, the thing is, you get a middle console so that you can go. But the thing is, this seat you can move it forward actually. So not an issue if you want space. But the thing is, either these people will become uncomfortable or you will become uncomfortable. That's the problem here. And tall people obviously can't sit here. Whereas in that car, I'll show you how it is. So friends, in this car, like I told you, it's more comfortable to go inside. So there's a middle row over here. You can easily get inside this, and voila, it's done. Comfortable, space over here, space over here. So that's why I prefer the 7-seater in the Innova, Toyota Innova, compared to the 8-seater. And the plus point of this is, the front person may not require this much of space also. He can easily go till over here, and then the back guy gets more and more space every time. You can go still forward. If in sorts of like small kids and all, they can go straight front, and the back person gets a lot of room. Even a tall person can easily sit over there. Not a issue. I'll just show you. I just hold it in the front, and now you can see this person gets to sleep also. This much space. That's the plus point of the 7-seater. Now we'll go to the last part, that is the back of the vehicle. So friends, coming to the tire section. So this is a wheel cap. That's why you can see this has been put so that it doesn't fall off in case of rough roads. And this is the original tire from the company itself. Whereas this we had changed recently. As you know, when converting the vehicle, we changed the tire itself. So this is a Magwell original company. You can see the logo is also there. And changes are, we painted inside so that the car color and the disc color looks alike. You can see red color, it's a bit dusty, so it looks alike. But here there is no changes done. So like that, a lot of here and there changes are there. And like in yesterday's video, I already told you this part, it's not there here. If this would have been there, this would have been little difficult to put. So that's the thing about this thing, this section. Now we'll come to the tail part, what changes we have over here. So first of all, this, which is not put in this. So this you can get it company made, or you can get it Chinese made also, not an issue. Other changes are the chrome. You can see chrome everywhere, here, 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 and of course this thing for the, so that the smoke doesn't accumulate over here. Whereas in that, these all stuffs are absent, done. And we put light over here. There's no light over there, you can see. And apart from that, 2.5G, 2.5G, 2.5G. So the only difference in both the vehicle is 2008 model, 2016 model, 8 years gap. And Toyota has not done anything special in this apart from lifting the vehicle a bit high, whereas the tire is also 15 inch itself, whereas in the Krista it comes around 16 and 17. but the vehicle itself is costly. And this thing, the door visor, so these are not there in this. It looks ugly if you don't put this, and it also gives a proper shape. And you might have noticed we made this black, or else it comes red color only here, but we made this black so that it gets sequenced. Here you can see original how it comes. So here and there you must do changes in the vehicle. It gives a better look for the vehicle, and better power, and other sorts of stuff. So so you can see the wiper blade over here. This is original company one which you get with the car, and this is the one, the latest versions one that I guess in Toyota Crista and all you can find like this model itself. So we put this one, so it gives a more performance. No much changes. The only thing is there's a cover for this, and another minor change that is inside the vehicle which should be shown, the mirror adjusting thing which you get here, whereas in that car you don't get mirror adjusting. And security in this car comes here, whereas in that security comes in the center, the light will be glowing there. So these are the changes. And this thing, obviously there's no changes in both, because in Toyota Crista you get the shark fin antenna which is the latest model. So that's all folks for this video. I have shown the comparison of both the beasts, and you can do whatever alterations and changes you can get. I will just put a link for you to get some of the stuff in the Amazon, like the seat cover, pillows, then the cover, and inside if you want some changes you can go to the company itself, especially if you are in places like Bombay, Delhi and all. You get it for a cheaper rate compared here in Karnataka, where taxes fall a bit higher for vehicles. So please do subscribe, like the channel, and until next time we'll meet again. Bye.